Hello and welcome to Crypto TV. I'm your news host Dharamjot Kaur, and let's get into the world of crypto with English News Bulletin. Let's have a look at the headlines first. SEC Chair Gensler sees more crypto market turmoil. Cryptocurrencies wallow in economic woes, Bitcoin below $30,000. US wants crypto exchanges to segregate customers' own funds. Crypto exchange FTX launches stock trading for US customers. BNB chain offers another lifeline to Terra ecosystem projects. Terraform Labs fined $78 million by South Korea for tax evasion. Dolce and Gabbana announces a collaboration with Chainlink. Dubai Museum taps Binance to jump on NFT bandwagon. Gary Gensler, chair of the United States Security and Exchange Commission or SEC, said he worries that more investors will be harmed in cryptocurrency markets. Gensler pointed out to the aggressive Federal Reserve rate hikes, which has caused investors to lose over $1 trillion in the past 6 months, and the recent implosion of the Terra USD stablecoin, feared that investors would lose more wealth. Gensler added that exposure to crypto in SEC-registered asset managers isn't significant, but that the agency has less visibility into private funds and particularly in family offices. Gensler demanded more resources to increase SEC oversight over digital assets. Cryptocurrencies remained in the red Thursday as investors shunned riskier assets amid escalating fears of recession and concern over weak retail spend. US stocks posted their biggest daily drop in almost 2 years Wednesday as investors evaluated the impact of higher prices on earnings and prospects of tightening monetary policy on economic growth. Futures tied to the tech-focused Nasdaq pointed to a further lower opening on Thursday after plummeting 4.7% a day earlier, while the S&P 500 futures indicated an over 1% drop in opening. Uncertainty around the pace and magnitude of the Fed's rate hiking cycle has stoked pressure across equity markets that has persisted throughout the year as investors worry over the prospect of an economic slowdown if the central bank acts too aggressively. The lack of conviction for crypto assets was apparent among investors, with liquidations climbing to over $273 million across exchanges in the past 24 hours. Liquidations in Bitcoin jumped to nearly $100 million during the same period, of which $66 million were in long positions, data showed. Bitcoin was recently trading at $29,600, little changed in the past 24 hours. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, was around $1,900, down nearly 2% in a similar time period. Other major altcoins too traded lower. The US wants cryptocurrency exchanges to keep their customers' money separate from their own corporate, to protect investors' funds in the eventuality of an exchange filing for bankruptcy. President Joe Biden's administration plans to urge the Congress to move a legislation to enforce rules of segregation of customers of proprietary funds, spurred by Coinbase's recent disclosure, which highlighted the probability of customers losing their funds. Reports said that federal officials plan to push for the change in any crypto bill considered by Congress. Crypto exchange FTX has expanded into a wider financial services market as it started offering stocks and ETFs trading for US customers, as per the Wall Street Journal. In the United States, FTX has purportedly begun commission-free stock and ETF trading. However, the services will be limited to a small number of users initially, with a complete launch of services including stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, futures, and other financial instruments to follow in a few months. Stock trading will be provided through the FTX US mobile app. Moreover, the company aims to offer trading in hundreds of US-listed companies and exchange-traded funds. Users will be able to fund their accounts with the USDC as well. The move comes after FTX's founder Sam Bankman-Fried recently acquired a 7.6% stake in Robinhood. Binance will welcome migration and offer support to projects from Terra Luna ecosystem following this month's unraveling of the decentralized finance DeFi platform and its algorithmic stablecoin. Stader Labs will become one of the first Terra Luna ecosystem projects to begin integrating with the BNB chain. BNB Chain Fund offers access to $1 billion in investment and grants to prospective projects looking to operate within the BNB Chain ecosystem. The team will provide added network, tokenomics, and marketing support, as well as business development. Users will be able to stake BNB in Stader and receive yields through the platform, while the firm will also issue a staking derivative representing the staked BNB holdings, which users can then use in DeFi protocols. Gwendolyn Regina, investment director at Binance Chain, confirmed that a handful of projects within the Terra ecosystem has been interacting with the BNB chain before its collapse, including Mirror Protocol, Synapse, and Wormhole. South Korea's National Tax Agency has slapped a $78 million penalty on Terraform Labs on charges of tax evasion. The move right after reports of an investigation from the Grim Reaper's Financial Crime Unit days after the infamous Terra Luna crash. The Do Kwon-owned Terraform Labs reportedly first came under the scanner a year ago on suspicions of possible corporate and income tax evasion. While subsidiaries may be registered in Virgin Islands and Singapore, South Korea has been the actual place of management. According to reports, tax authorities were alerted after Terraform Labs sent Luna from Terra Singapore to Luna Foundation Guard to evade taxes. Dolce & Gabbana and UNXT, a Polygon-based Metaverse fashion firm, has teamed up with Chainlink for the impending DG family glassbox reveal. The revelation leverages verifiable randomness from Chainlink VRF to ensure that the process is provably fair. UNXT plans to leverage the Chainlink verifiable random function, called VRF, or power the DG family glassbox reveal, which determines if a collector has black, gold, or platinum box. The Chainlink VRF will help users acquire automated and publicly verifiable confirmation that the random revelation of DG family glass boxes is demonstrably fair and cannot be tampered with or predicted by the Oracle, outside entities, or the UNXT and Dolce & Gabbana teams directly on-chain. Dubai's Museum of Future and Binance NFT are collaborating to create and launch a range of digital assets and collectibles. The collaboration will start with the first ever NFT collection named the Most Beautiful NFTs in the Metaverse. The Museum of the Future intends to focus on crypto technology and the mixed reality space. The museum will develop assets within the field of NFTs, cryptocurrencies, Metaverse, and the blockchain. That's all for today's news. For daily news and updates of crypto world, keep watching Crypto TV. I'm Dharamjot Kaur, signing off. Goodbye.